Hey, welcome back. This is Tony from Tony's Hobby Channel, and recently ordered a security camera setup, and it finally came in the mail. So we are going to do a little bit of an unboxing and a little bit of a review. So basically this is what it comes with. You're looking at 8 megapixel, 8 channel, power on Ethernet camera system. And basically the NVR stands for network. Okay, so basically, oh, looks like my camera's freezing a little bit. This is what it comes with. And as you see, they spelled inside backwards. So, yay, good, awesome. We'll just do a unboxing for now, or at least partial unboxing, or just see what the contents are looking like, so we know what we got. So basically this is all your cables to run all of your stuff. Here's the cameras. Okay, and see, there's the actual power on Ethernet section right here. So this will have the Ethernet, that's the power, and then one of these is like a little reset button, I think. Right here is like a little reset button. And then this one, what is that one for? Oh, that's the power. It says power right there on the side. Look at there. It says power. I'm the power. I'll give you power. Right there. Clearly labeled. Oh, how sweet of them. They are the best. And then this one's the reset, but they did not label reset, but that's okay. No worries. And this one has a little twist and lock looking like mechanism here. Looks fabulous. And this is the actual camera. Pretty cool. Get to see what's going on around here. Wow, ooh, ah. So that's what it looks like up close, brand new. And I think they say that this side is down. Cause see, it has like a little visor. It has like a little baseball hat, you know, has a little visor. Anyways. And these are the little doohickeys that go around on top of the other little doohickey. So I believe these connect into here. That helps to make your connection, because what you're going to be doing is you're going to be connecting these guys here. This will click into there, click, and then of course this is going to be on top of there. So you're going to put these on first, click it together, and then they'll screw on top of each other in a funny little fashion there. It's really easy. Next, we are looking at, let me open up this other box here. There's two boxes in this wonderful package. Alright, and the other item is this here. Oh, look at there. Oh, beautiful. Damn, that thing's tiny. It's smaller than a PlayStation. And we all know a PlayStation's smaller than an Xbox, right? I think. And that's like its power source. This thing's itty bitty. Look at that. This thing's tiny. Pretty cool. Wow, awesome. So, yeah, awesome. And then I drop it. So this is built to handle a total of 8 cameras right now. So basically we only have 4 for now. So what that means is I can still add 4 cameras to this without having to expand or upgrade this. And what I'm thinking is, if I do 8 cameras on this, and by the time I have all of that set up, why would I want to like take it all down to install something else? You know, I just leave it. I mean, it's good enough. It should be. So I would probably just add another one of these and then just start again and add 8 more cameras. You know what I mean? So I could have 16. It just would be running off of 2 of these instead of 1 with 16 ports, if that makes any sense. Basically the same thing, unless there's something newer and better that, you know, works better, then of course I'll take that into consideration. So we'll leave all this stuff together. All this goes to here, all that goes there. The cool thing about all these fittings nowadays, I know they're all weird and different looking, confusing and whatnot, but they only go to one spot for the most part. You know what I mean? Like, you know, you can't put this over there, you know? You know what I mean? So I apologize for the crappy lighting and the crappy video. So I do apologize, and thank you very much for your patience. I greatly appreciate it. I will be installing this bit by bit, and from there I will be posting videos bit by bit. So please stay tuned. Please comment down below, like, subscribe, share, you know, all the good stuff. And this is the, let's see, RLK8-800B4 model, I believe. So, awesome. Thank you guys very much for tuning in to Tony's Hobby Channel. Currently, I cannot go live on YouTube because I am still under 1,000 subscribers. So, if you'd like for me to be able to go live, as I am constantly and frequently going live on Instagram because they do not have that restriction, if you would like for me to be able to go live more on here, please invite more of your friends and family, and I look forward to being able to provide you with that service. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Tony's Hobby Channel signing out.